guys, I got some new hair. I'm so excited. 22-inch water wave hair from Vallbest hair. Comes with a weaving cap. This is a freshener, which is strawberry. I think it's for this bottle for the hair, which is really cool. I've actually never seen that before. So it's this super beautiful curl pattern right here. 4 combs in it. 3 in the front, 1 in the back with an adjustable strap. It's a decent amount of parting space, as you can see. Get this in the lightest color, which I believe was a 4. I'm gonna be using this BW2 Clairol, and then the Salon Care in the 30 volume developer from Sally's. You're gonna wanna put a bag down. I don't have very much left in here, so I'm just gonna finish it, but it's probably around 2 scoops. Then you're just gonna wanna put enough developer so that you can make an even mix. It's usually about half and half in my opinion. And then you just wanna mix it up until it's smooth. Now this may or may not be enough for this full wig, but if it's not, I'll just make exactly the same batch again. I'm going to start from the bottom of the unit and work my way to the top. If you want the hair evenly coated, it's very important for you to separate the hair, because for curly hair, it's super easy to miss chunks of it, like as you can see inside here. So if you want an even color, make sure to go in between the hair as well. It's been 30 minutes and the bag is hot. Woo! So this stuff lightens very well. I'm going to take this now and put this bad boy in the sink. I'm going to shampoo it with this VO5, and then after I shampoo it about 2 times, I'm going to go in with this Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Conditioner, and I'm going to keep this conditioner on for about an hour. So I'm going to go in with these right here. They're from Manic Panic. I'm going to be using After Midnight and Shocking Blue, but I'm going to use mostly After Midnight, and I'm just going to brush this on the hair and leave it for a few hours just to suck up all the color. Okay, so I covered the hair in mostly After Midnight, and I thoroughly saturated it with that color, but then I did go over it after it was saturated with the Shocking Blue, just so that I could have some highlights of different blue hues in the hair as well. Y'all, my mermaid wig is done. Look at the colors, it's so pretty. I look crazy. Now I'm just gonna put this over my head. Then I'm just gonna use some of this Kimball Curl Revitalizer. Such a cute water wave texture. Okay, so now I'm gonna go let this hair air dry and then I'll be back. Okay, so I wanted to show you what the parts look like. I did not bleach them, I did not pluck them, I did nothing to the parting area. So as you can see, it still looks pretty dang good, even without any work on it. So imagine actually putting work on that part. It's gonna look amazing and even more bomb. Alright guys, so this is the hair air dried. As you can see, it's super bouncy. I hope that the color picks up, but yeah, it's super cute, right? Yes. Definitely check out the link below for Vallbest hair. I'll leave the link of what this unit is in the description box below. But yeah, yes, protective styling, yes. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share it with all your friends. Follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine and Snapchat at your Mexican Beauty. Like usual, have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you later. Deuces.